In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this ACT math question using the T84 plus scientific calculator fast and easily. So you sure you stay to the very end of the video. Okay, so let's get started. The question says we have this expression x to the power 3 plus y to the power 3. Okay, we have to simplify this expression. So this is very easy. The very first thing we have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. To do this, press the second button, then this plus button, press 7 for reset, then press 1 to reset all and press 2, and it will do that for us. Alright, we are good to go. Press this clear button. Now guys, to solve this kind of problem, we need to store values for x and y, of which I highly recommend 2 for each unknown. Okay, so to store the value of x as 2, you press 2 first, then press the button, then x is this button. Once you do, you press enter, and it will indicate that it has been stored as x2. So let's store the value of y as 2 as well. So you press 2, then you press the store button. Once you store it as y, press alpha, it is y button. Okay, press enter. So y has been stored as 2. So let's simplify the expression. We have x to the power 3. Okay, then you come down, very important, plus y, press alpha and this button for y. Okay, to the power 3, this button is for power 3. So that's it, press enter. Let's see what it's going to give us. So we have 16. Right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 16 will be the answer to this question. Let's proceed from the down option and go up. Okay, so let's simplify option E. So it's in bracket, we have x minus y. You press alpha and this button for y, close the brackets, open another bracket. So we have x, okay, plus, okay, we have plus, guys. Remove this, guys. Alright, plus y alpha and this, close the brackets, then to the power 2. So that's it for that option E. Let's press enter and see if we're going to have 16. No, we have 0. So let's check option D. Let's move this. So option D is in bracket x plus y alpha and this. Close the bracket, open another bracket. So we have x square, alright, minus x y alpha this, okay, plus y alpha this square. So that's it, close the bracket. Let's now press enter to see if we're going to have 16. Okay, 16 exactly. So the correct option is what? Option D. This is basically I can solve this problem using the T84 plus scientific calculator fast and easily. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now don't forget to reset. Once you are done, just press the come button, then this plus button, press 7 for reset, press 1 to reset all and press 2, and it will do this for you. Okay, now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video.